Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about 20% Vitamin C Serum from the Derma Co. What are the different ingredients present in it and is it worth purchasing this product? This is one of the highly requested video. I have got so many questions regarding this Vitamin C Serum. Like it is 20%, is it good? How to use it? How to get the best benefit out of it? And what to expect from this serum. So I'm going to be talking about everything in detail because this needs to be spoken about. I am making the whole series of Derma Co. So as it's a highly requested video and a lot of questions have been asked about the 20% vitamin C serum, so I decided to make this video today. Before I dive into the ingredient list, I would request you all to follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. It helps me as an influencer and as a YouTuber to grow. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. Alright, so let's talk about the ingredient list now. So this is the ingredient list, guys, of the vitamin C serum. It is quite straightforward. It's very crisp ingredient list and it's not very overdone, but it's very high concentration of vitamin C. We will get into that now. So the first ingredient here is water. It's like a liquid consistency, so it can glide well onto the skin. It's gonna also hydrate the skin. The next ingredient here at the 20% is the 3-O-ethyl-ascorbic acid. The pure form of ascorbic acid is L-ascorbic acid, the vitamin C. 3-O-ethyl-ascorbic acid is one of the different forms of the vitamin C. So it's derived from L-ascorbic acid itself. But 3-O-ethyl-ascorbic acid is more stable in presence of light and also doesn't turn yellow when it comes in contact with oxygen. So its shelf life is quite better as compared to L-ascorbic acid. When you have L-ascorbic acid, it's very hard to formulate any sort of serum with L-ascorbic acid as the main ingredient. So there is ferulic acid added to that L-ascorbic acid to stabilize that serum. But here in 3-O-ethyl-ascorbic acid, as it is 20% of 3-O-ethyl-ascorbic acid, so you need to add more concentration of the ferulic acid. Ferulic acid is antioxidant. It acts as an agent that removes the free radicals from the face. Vitamin C and ferulic acid both are antioxidants. Let's say that vitamin C behaves well in presence of ferulic acid. Without ferulic acid, it's quite unstable. It starts to be crazy and it doesn't listen and the formulation just doesn't come out right. So here the 20% of 3-O-ethyl-ascorbic acid is quite high of a percent. It cannot be tolerated well by the beginners. If you are someone who has not ever used vitamin C before and you just jumped straight to 20% of vitamin C, your skin has never got used to that 20% or even 1% of vitamin C. You're introducing something that's like a high potent drug directly to your skin and your skin starts to react. It becomes red. There is a lot of breakouts. That's why I always tell my whole viewers to do a patch test before applying it directly to your face, because that is not how the skincare formulation works. You're not going to apply anything with higher concentration directly onto the face. This formulation is made for the pro people who have been using the vitamin C for a longer duration of time. It is not for the beginners. So if you're a beginner, you have never used vitamin C before, I would not suggest this vitamin C for you. Rather, I will suggest the 10% vitamin C serum from the same company. Maybe this can work better for you. Or else I can suggest you 5% vitamin C from the Derma Co itself. There is the least concentration. You can start with the least concentration and then jump to the 10%, then to 20%, or else to 16% and then to 20%. Here the fifth ingredient is ferulic acid. As I mentioned before, that if the concentration of the vitamin C is higher, to stabilize that vitamin C, the ferulic concentration should also be higher. So here the concentration is ranging between 5% to 1% in between that. That is quite high for the ferulic acid to exist because it's like very high, let's say that. So it's also having beneficial effects and it's gonna remove the free radicals from your skin, so it's gonna be a powerful antioxidant serum for you. Okay, now to the part how to use this serum. It is pretty simple. You can use it at the daytime as well as at nighttime. In the daytime, you need to touch it up with 50 and plus SPF sunscreen. There is no denying that. If you combine it with the SPF 50 sunscreen, it's just gonna benefit you better because it's gonna give you sun protection and also reduce the pigmentation marks onto the skin. So in the night time, if you want to use this vitamin C, you need to use it not with the tretinoin or retinols. It doesn't go well with tretinoin and retinol, especially if it's high in concentration and you're gonna apply it with retinol. That's gonna react very badly to your skin. Step it out, please. It's not gonna work and it's not gonna show any benefits to the skin. Rather, it's just gonna cause redness onto the skin. In conclusion, I love this serum for the professionals who have been using vitamin C for quite some time. There is no such ingredient in this formulation that can clog the pores. So it's just gonna work really well for all skin types, whether it be Caucasian skin, skin of color, dry skin type, very dry skin type, or normal skin, combination skin, or oily skin type, or acne prone skin type. If you are in this range, you can use it, but you have to be using vitamin C for quite some time. You just can't switch it to 20% and expect the results. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. That is pretty much it about this vitamin C serum. If you have any questions regarding this, you can write it down in the comment section below and I will get back to you with answers. Thank you very much for watching again, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.